I am Professor A.K. Mathur. I was Professor of Civil Engineering in Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee, and I retired from IIT in 2005. And then I am deeply involved in teaching and managing, advising various institutions. Then I have a very important decision. My granddaughter, who has completed her intermediate examination, so I was visiting various institutions, and when I came to this institution, CGC Landran, and when I took 2 days to visit it. I visited all the departments, and I was thoroughly impressed by the placement department, which is presently working in this particular institution. And now I have decided that my granddaughter will take admission in this particular institution. I could find that the students of this particular institution will have an edge over others in placement and in taking care of most of the things which are now needed in our country.